This concrete was poured in November of 2020. It's now April 2021 and the ramp has a lot of cracks, which is no surprise given I poured the cement directly on the dirt without any gravel. This ramp was barely skatable and no fun. It was an expensive failure and an eyesore, so it was time to destroy it, bury it, and erase any evidence of its existence. I plan to make another one in the future. Be sure to check back in a few months. I began by hitting the concrete with a sledgehammer to cause it to crack and weaken, working along the edge where it would crumble the easiest. Once some cracks formed, I used a crowbar to pry up the pieces. Years ago, I dug into the hillside and removed a lot of dirt near where the ramp now sits. That area made for a convenient dumping site for all the rubble and rocks. I just kept repeating the process of hitting the cement with the sledgehammer, then prying up pieces with the crowbar. Shards of rocks were flying everywhere, therefore safety glasses were a must. Also, when you're outside doing physical labor on a hot day, it's important to drink 1 to 2 beers an hour for the duration of the time that you are working. I'd recommend beer that sells for around $12 a case. And if you can manage it, it's also recommended to cook tacos while you're working. The recipe I like is a little different. After draining the ground meat, mix in pinto beans and salsa. Let it simmer for about 25 minutes. bucket made hauling away the small rocks a little easier. I dug a trench to set those bricks into, to create a little wall. I saved the large rocks for future projects, then covered the rubble with dirt. Here's the area a few months later in September.